This is Sushi's foraging bowl. It has millet and pellets in it, and you just put stuff on it to make it harder for the bird to find the stuff. They have to forage for it. Small pellets. Some dry veggies in it. What else do I have? My box of broken stuff he broke. Like he's foraging. Put another ball on it. Oh, it won't fit. Won't fit. Oh well. And then put up there. Hello. He's foraging. A toy. And I got him. Foraging. Put in there. And just gonna clean this up. And I can use this stuff to make foraging toys. Foraging bowls for him. Then put them in the bowl and he has to go through them to find it. Find the food and stuff. Good boy. So it will last him like 10 seconds, maybe. So he's foraging still. Good boy. And then he's locked into a foraging bowl. I can't wait until we can move, because then I can make him foraging trays and put them everywhere. That's his brother. You found more millet. You found more millet. You found more. You're so pretty. I'm sorry. So that's his foraging bowl. Nice and pretty.